Hey everyone! Hi Gigi, hi Tyler, hi Joshua, hi Gael, Ricardo, hi Ricardo, hi Haji, hi Jorge. Welcome to the second day of ESY. Quick reminder that I do hold Zoom office hours Monday through Thursday from 9 to 9:30. If you guys want to check in, um, if you guys just want to go over some of the videos of the classwork, all of that is great. Today, I am mailing the work packets. So you guys should hopefully receive that by next week, if not sooner. Yeah, so let's get started with our morning meeting. We're going to start here. It says today is June 11th, 2020. So June is the month, the 11th is the date, and 2020 is our year. June 11th, 2020. June is the sixth month of the year, so time may sometimes feel slow, especially because we're all stuck at home, but it's going. We're already halfway through 2020. All right, yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. The weather is partly cloudy and cool. The season is spring. So let's go over that a little bit. The weather, maybe it's a little different in your neighborhood. You can go take a look out your window and see, was Miss Chen right? Is it partly cloudy and cool, or is it sunny and warm? In my part of the city, I live in the Sunset. It's usually pretty cloudy, but maybe for you it feels different. The season is still spring, but summer is coming. And summer will be on June 20th. How are you feeling today? Well, for me, let's actually first go over all our feelings that we can select from. We have scared, happy, sad, angry, excited, worried, surprised, silly, and frustrated. So for me today, I'm feeling pretty excited. I feel like, I'm excited to kind of get the day going. I'm excited for the weekend, even though it's only Thursday, because my kids will be at their grandparents' house. So I'll finally get a break from them. So I'm feeling pretty excited about that, even though it's not even Friday yet. So yeah, so you can tell me or tell your mom or dad or whoever's working with you, how are you feeling today? Scared? Happy? Sad? Angry? Excited? Worried? Surprised? Silly? Or frustrated? After you're done with this video, feel free to please work on your Starfall calendar. Bye-bye.